Hi everyone, Akash Verma this side and welcome to your Pharmaminds platform. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a very important vacancy that has come for Tamil Nadu students. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the basic details about what will be the job role, what will be the pay scale, what is a minimum qualification that you need to sit for this examination. So that will be covered in this video. And secondly, how Pharmaminds will help you for this job. Okay, so let's cover everything in detail right now, and we're going to see a lot of important things. First thing, this vacancy has come from Medical Services Recruitment Board, that is MRB. So that is something you should be knowing. And it was launched on 17th of February. And this is the post that you will be getting of pharmacist. Okay, so that is a post right now. The scale of pay is matrix 11 level, and the salary is around 35,000 to 400 over 1 lakh rupees. So that is a great opportunity if you're looking to do a government job and you want a great job. So this is something you should attract you. Okay, so applications are invited and you can fill the applications till 10th of March. So that is something you should be aware, so that you fill the form by the deadline or much earlier than that. And this will be on temporary basis. Okay, it's not a permanent job, let me tell you first. It's basically after the service they can terminate or discharge you, or maybe it can get converted into permanent job, but that depends on them. But for me now, it's a great job. And the most amazing thing about this vacancy is that number of posts. It's 425 vacancies in total. So that is something truly inspiring, because you truly have a shot at this. 425 is a good number, and you have a shot. You have a good probability that you can getting this job. Okay. 10th of March is basically the last date, and the date of examination will be intimated later. That is, it's not told till now, but it will be told later. So that is something which you should be knowing. And let's move on to the next pages. Okay, so here is a lot of information given here. If you want me to cover whole PDF in detail, 37 pages, then do mention in the comment box a detailed video, so that I can cover these in parts. But condition is that I want at least 10 responses, then only I'm going to cover everything in detail. Okay, because it's a detailed PDF and you can read, and in this video I'm going to tell you the most important aspects. So till now we have discussed about what is a job role and what will be the pay scale. Let's move on to the next important aspects. What is the education qualification that they're looking for? It is basically a diploma or bachelor's in pharmacy or Pharma D. Pharma D is something very interesting here. And the student must have registered with Tamil Nadu Pharmacy Council and must keep their registration alive by renewing it every year. So in case your registration is not renewed, then you're not eligible. So make sure that you do it ASAP. Okay? And you should be registered also. That is a prime condition. So now the exam pattern will be like, you will be having two examinations. The first examination talks about the language test. You have to pass the language, Tamil Nadu language test, that is Tamil Nadu eligibility test, in which you have to give 1 hour paper. For 50 will be the maximum marks you can get. And for SC, SC, ST, it is 40% minimum qualifying marks, whereas for others, it is the same. If you qualify this first paper, then you can get entry into the second paper, where you will be asked questions of your favorite topic, that is pharmacy. But condition is that you should be clear with the first one. After that, you will be getting a 2 hours paper, maximum marks 100, and for SC, ST, it's 30 marks. For others, it is 35. If you do it, you are qualified and you can grab the job. So 2 steps. You can say it's hard, you can say it's easy, but it all depends on your hard work, how much hard work you are ready to put in, and how that hard work can be catalyzed or can be facilitated or promoted. That will be told to you by me in the end. So make sure that you watch this video completely. Okay, so let's move on to the next details, important ones. Yeah, so here's this one bonus opportunity. For example, if you have worked in COVID, in a hospital, then you will be getting some extra bonus here. 2 marks if you have worked for 6 to 12 months, and similarly 5 marks if you have worked more than 2 years. So don't forget to take your gifts if you have worked really hard in the COVID time, and salute to you for that. Next thing is online registration. So here's the online registration given here. You have to follow these steps to get yourself registered for the examination. Okay. Fees is SC, SC, ST, ST, DAP is 500 rupees, and for others it is 1000 rupees. So that's the amount of fees that you have to pay. I hope that's clear. Next, moving on to the hall tickets that you can download from this particular website given here. Basically, I'll be providing all these PDFs in the description box and the comment box. You can download from there. Next, moving on to the next part, we have various documents here like declaration by candidate, and here are the different annexures in which different aspect about how to apply online reservation, disqualification, in what cases you can be disqualified, scale of pay, joining time, medical certificates, undertaking certificates, syllabus is given. Okay, so syllabus, let me talk about it in detail. It is the syllabus which you have in diploma. So diploma level syllabus will be there for the pharmacy part, and it's quite easy. So as per the experience that I've got from other students who have qualified this examination before, the Tamil language paper is tough, the pharmacy paper is way too easy. So the first step is difficult, second step is easy. So make sure you qualify the Tamil paper, and then you can get into the pharmacy paper. And it is totally the diploma syllabus. And for this, we are going to provide notes to you. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. I'm going to tell you how will be that possibility. Okay, so here are the various annexures given here. You can just go through them. I'll be uploading the PDF in the description. Now comes the how we are going to accelerate your preparation is basically through a mini course, because we know that you have been working hard and you want to work hard in an organized, systematic manner. The most amazing thing about this mini course is the course affordability, that you will be getting mini courses about thousands, 3,000, 5,000, but we are providing this course only at 499 rupees. So that is something which should be really attracting you. And for the first 50 students, you will be getting this course at only 299 rupees. Sir, you are telling the price, what will be the features? You will be getting total complete e-notes. You will be getting subject-wise test series that you can practice again and again, unlimited number of times. You will get tables and mnemonics so that you can practice those theory of yours, and guidance from experts. If you don't know, I'm from Naipur Mohali, which is the best college. So definitely my guidance can be of help to you. And also non-pharma section, it's not mentioned in the syllabus, but if you want, it will also be provided in the course, and you can also go it through in your free time. So first thing, you have to download the Pharmaminds application from the Play Store, and you can also contact on this particular number in case if you have any doubt. So price is here 499 rupees, and for the first 50 students it's only 300 rupees, and you can easily grab the course. So how the course will look like? Okay, I'm going to show you that also. Okay, so here's the course. Okay. Okay, sir, how we will be getting this course at 299 rupees only? So basically, there's a coupon code that you have to apply, that is MRB 2025. Okay, sir, how to apply this coupon code? We will be also providing a video in the comment box and description box, which you can use to apply the coupon code. Okay, so everything will be provided to you. In case if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me or my team on WhatsApp and calls. Okay, so let's go to the course so that you understand what will be the main features here. Content. So content will be, just a second. Okay, so basically notes will be here, if you can see. I think it's not calibrated right now, no worries. So notes will be here, pharmacology, jurisprudence, suitics, and every notes will be considered here. And apart from there will be online tests, subjective tests will be here. There will be strategies, there will be guidance, tables, and mnemonics at a very, very minimal price, because we really want to support you in this particular vacancy going forward. So thank you so much. If you have any doubt and if you want things in detail, do mention in the comment box. And if you want any particular details about this course or about this vacancy, do mention in the comment box, and all the details are given there also. Okay, all the best for this vacancy, and I really wish all the hardworking aspirants get this job and secure a good future in it. Thank you so much.